Hello guys! Welcome back on my YouTube channel. Nagbabalik ang inyong Inday Gracia. So for today's video, I will show you how to make a Dalgona Coffee craze. So, let's check out!
Just tell me what you want.
Okay, these are the ingredients of Dalgona Coffee. Then first step guys is we will mix the coffee and sugar until it will caramelize. Just mix it. Mix it slowly, slowly until it's ready. Okay, for the second step, prepare your glass and pour it with ice cubes. Okay, once it's done, third step is pour the milk in a glass with ice cube. So that's how you do it. Okay guys, and the final step, you will pour the caramelized coffee and sugar into the glass of milk with ice cube. So at last it's done. It's ready to serve. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and you learned something new. Bye. Have a good day and have a happy weekend.